Hey, good morning, Diamond Crew. My voice is finally trying to come back. Thank you for sticking around, you guys. I am excited to give you guys the tea on the jobs and the business on the job, you guys. This next job that we have is based out in South Carolina, United States, and it's a bilingual Spanish customer service representative work from home sign-on bonus included. And with this position, it's the signals we are offering a $3,000 sign-on bonus. They will give you $750 every 30 days that you stick with the company. So for the next 4 months, if you was to start now, 30 days, you get $750. The second month, you stick with the company. That's 60 days. You get $750. They break it off in increments. They don't give you the exact $3,000 payout all in one lump sum. They disperse it evenly throughout the next 4 months when you're employed with them. So this customer service job description is answering your call and taking. It's basically let you know that you can help other customers out and with their products and their sales and keep the customer engaged with AT&T. That's basically what this is about. So this is what it has to say about AT&T, answering your call and taking the lead at our company from the comfort of your home as a member of our team. You'll redefine how our customers engage with the latest product offerings. Media and entertainment is an opportunity to be the voice of AT&T. A global leader in custom communications and technology in a career where we'll count on you to deliver a best in-class customer experience. And the hashtag connect our customers. In this role, you'll take a lead in addressing customer questions and concerns on all products and services through case resolution pertaining to a variety of issues. You'll need a strong attention to detail to maintain appropriate records, prepare required reports, and update customer accounts. Each case will provide an opportunity to creatively problem solve ways to address customer issues through various tools and systems. Most importantly, your ability to provide effective and timely resolutions will impact the overall customer experience. There may also be instances where you provide customer support as assigned. This may include selling products or services, collect past due balances, processing credit applications, and or activating services. You will also be required to efficiently navigate between multiple systems to resolve complex customer concerns as it relates to one or more products and services. Uncover customer wants, interests, and needs in each customer interaction to effectively save the product and offer additional products and services. Demonstrate self-sufficiency through utilizing various support tools to research and resolve complex customer issues in a virtual setting. Utilize virtual communication tools to engage your manager or support team for assistance. Remain proficient in explaining customer bills as well as managing billing, rate plan, and feature matters for one or more products or services. Perform basic troubleshooting for one or more products or services. Adhere to a set schedule, including breaks, lunches, and schedule open times to ensure availability to answer the customer's call and provide exceptional service. This is a full-time position, 40 hours per week. Flexibility to work with any schedule during hours of operation is essential. Current business hours are Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. Work from home requirements. Must have verified internet service. Secure, reliable, dedicated, high speed is required to support business needs and an established dedicated work area, desk, chair, electric outlet, direct LAN landline connection. Company will provide equipment, keyboard, monitor, computer, mobile device, etc. Must maintain workspace in alignment with work from home standards, technical, security, physical, noise levels, and clean desk policy, etc. And participate in workspace audits, remote desktop observation, call and screen recordings, live webcam monitoring, pictures of workspace setup, video chats, etc. Be able to be available, accessible, and accountable to work during established work hours and shifts and schedulings. Follow technical support processes, comply with organizational security and compliance standards, trainings, performance management, recurring management routines, manual and automated remote monitoring policies, etc. So what's in it for you, for the employee, when you start? Once you start working with AT&T, you will be eligible to have these discounts. You will be eligible to have these compensation packages and everything. So let me go ahead and run through what they will offer you guys if you guys ever get employed with the bilingual Spanish customer service representative position from work from home. They will offer paid training that you will be required to complete from home, as well as resources to encourage your career growth. We also offer a competitive compensation package. We also offer a competitive compensation. Oh, I said that twice because it's typed twice. Excuse me. This role starts at $15.53 per hour and up to $17.36 per hour. And the eligible AT&T wireless plans up to 2 accounts per employee, up to 10 lines per account, and wireless accessories. AT&T Internet fiber where available. Free AT&T or Uverse TV, $10 tech and or equipment fees may apply. AT&T phone and AT&T wireless home phone. There's no better time than now to dial into a work from home career with AT&T. This is a bilingual position that requires fluent speaking and writing in both English and Spanish. Want to learn more about our work from home rules? You have to watch this and click on this link. It will take you to a YouTube video from the company AT&T. And then you can apply and you can see what it's about. In order to qualify for this work from home position, you must reside in the following states: Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Kentucky, Louisiana, Missouri, and North Carolina, South Carolina, and Tennessee. So other than South Carolina, they have these states that are hiring for this position, the bilingual Spanish customer service representative position. Work from home sign-on bonus of $3,000. They will disperse that $3,000 per month every 30 days for the next 4 months once you started working for them. It will be $750 per month up until they get to the whole full payment of $3,000 all collectively within those 4 months. So yes, if it sounds like a job that you want to apply to, if you're bilingual and you speak both English and Spanish, and you see this job as something that you would love to do, get in those applications, Diamond Crew, because you are worth it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And that'll be all for this video. Good luck, because I know that you're worth it and you know that you're worth it, so let's get it.